Now we have second system called RHEL. Let me log in into this. RHEL means Red Hat. Now here sessions manager is not allowing. It means that agent itself is not installed in this machine, Red Hat machine. So I have to connect it through my local system. So let me copy that command. So this is the command I am copying. I am in my local system now. I am navigating to path where I have kept my PEM file. Now I will paste that command. Enter. It seems I have not copied the correct command. I should have copied this command. Again I am going to terminal. Pasting this. Hit enter. Click yes for fingerprint verification. Okay, I need to type yes. Now I have logged into that RHEL. To check its OS version, first let us log in as root. So I will type sudo -i. Now check its OS version. Here we can see Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So this is Linux. Now in documentation page we will select RHEL and again follow the instructions. This is the step where it is saying if we have any kind of Docker installed previously on that system, run these command to remove that. But since that system itself is a brand new, so we can skip this. Now let us run this command. Copy this. It is to install the latest version of Docker. Sorry, before that we need to install yum utils. Then only we can run this command. So copy this command first. Paste it. For now we can ignore this warning. Okay, because I have not registered this Red Hat machine to Red Hat repository. Again go to Docker documentation. Now let us try to run this command. Paste now. So it threw error saying error during downloading metadata of this repository. Why it is so? Because this Red Hat version is of version 9. Here you can see in top. If you want I can run that command again. See, here it is version 9. Red Hat of version 7 and above does not support Docker. In that case, we can follow Docker installation instructions which is of CentOS. So click on CentOS. Though we are installing Docker on Red Hat, but we are following instructions of CentOS. Now copy this and run this. You might be thinking why I am following CentOS. Because the time when I got the error first time, I searched and from one of the Red Hat blog itself I got to know that Docker installation will not support on Red Hat version 8 and above, and this is version 9, so Docker installation is not supporting. They themselves suggested that we can follow CentOS installation process. Now run this command. This command is to install latest version of Docker. Hit enter. Now you can see we are following CentOS instruction, but when we ran the CentOS command on Red Hat, it is allowing us to install Docker. Click on Y, hit enter. Now it is installing Docker. While it is installing, let us go to documentation page for next instruction. So once Docker will be installed, we have to start Docker now. Go to server again. So it says Docker installation complete. Type in Docker and hit enter. Now it is giving output. It means Docker is successfully installed. To check whether Docker is running or not, we can run command systemctl status docker. Here we can see it is inactive right now. So we have to start Docker now. The command to start Docker is systemctl start docker. Now again when we check the status of Docker, here we can see it is active and running. Type in docker ps to check if we have any running containers. Here we don't see anything, it means we don't have any container running. This way we can install Docker following CentOS commands on Linux boxes of version 8 and above. Now let us uninstall this Docker from this box. Again I am following Docker documentation page. We have already started Docker now. For this command you might be thinking what is this command is about, Docker and hello world. This will run a container of name hello world. Or in this case let me run this command for you. Copy this. Now I am pasting it here. Enter. Now it is saying unable to find Docker locally. And again here we are getting message hello from Docker. Now if we run this command docker ps, still we are saying no containers because no container running. But if we check all the containers whether it is stopped or running, the command is docker ps-a. Now we can see one container with container id which was created for 24 seconds ago and exited 23 seconds ago. That container was this hello world container. It ran, it printed the message hello world and it died. We will discuss more about this process in our later videos. Following the documentation page to uninstall Docker from Red Hat. I am directly going to bottom. Here we have this command again. Copy this, paste it here. It will ask for confirmation, give Y, enter. Now it is uninstalling the Docker. In this way we can install Docker on Red Hat machine.